Hey guys, this is René, and in this quick video I will show you the exact steps that you need to take if you want to use my expert advisors completely for free. So these expert advisors like the range breakout EA or the gold long EA or other expert advisors are proven in my personal life account, and in the last few years they have been super profitable. Of course, nobody can speak for the future, but these are the facts. So these EAs are definitely no joke, and you can get them for free with my partner broker, IC Markets or IC Trading. How does this work? Find more information on my website. Just go to en.bmtrading.de and you will find everything. You can read about everything. But this video is about the exact steps that you need to take. And while you're on my website, you can also find the first steps here. You can just open an account with my partner broker. The great thing is, if you use my partner link, which you have to do in order to use the expert advisors, you also get cheaper trading commissions. And even without the cheaper trading commissions, the brokers are among the best in the industry. I used them for many years in my personal life trading also, and I was never disappointed. So here, first of all, you need to open the account with a broker before we can then request the license for the expert advisors. So click on open account. This will bring you to the brokerage page, and here you can see you can open with either IC Trading or IC Markets Global. Both brokers have the same trading conditions, which means that you will have perfect trading conditions with both of these brokers. I used both before with live trading accounts, and as I said, was never disappointed. But make sure to do your own research and do your own tests. Both brokers offer demo accounts if you are new to trading, and if you want to start with a live trading account, they have a very small minimum deposit, which also makes it great for small accounts. So once I click here on to IC Trading, this will bring you to the IC Trading website, and it should automatically inform IC Trading that you are coming from BM Trading, which is my company. So you're coming from me, and you will get the discounted trading commissions automatically. If it does not happen automatically, do not worry. You can also apply for this afterwards. It's very easy. Just talk to the support staff at IC Trading. I know them personally, and they will be able to assist you. You can also text me, and I can help you with the communication. So here we are on the IC Trading website, and you can see like you have different options. You can open a live trading account, or you can open a demo account. If you are new to trading, if you never traded real money before, or don't have a lot of trading experience, just go with a demo. There's nothing to lose, and you can practice with like paper money. But if you want to open a real trading account, and if you want to trade and use the expert advisors in this account, then you can click on trade now, and this will bring you to the registration process with IC Trading. So you can see here there are several steps that you need to take. I don't want to go through all of the steps together with you in this video because it would be kind of long, but it's very explaining. Like you can just say which country you're from, first name, last name, email, mobile, and it will just ask you all of the information that you have to provide. Just be completely honest here. Makes no sense to provide some wrong information, because it will just lead to problems later on, because afterwards you also need to like verify your name and address, etc. As always, if you have any questions with this registration process, do not hesitate to contact the support of IC Trading, or if you're on the IC Markets website, IC Markets. You can do this in the chat, and if you are stuck at some point, you can also come to me, send me an email, and ask me for some support. I'm a partner of IC Trading and IC Markets, so I have dedicated contact persons that can help you out quickly. So once you opened your account, can be a demo, can be a live account, you can verify it fully. If it's a live account, you can make a deposit, and then you have your live account with IC Trading. Let me quickly log into my login area so you know exactly how it will look afterwards. So once you are logged into the IC Trading login area and your account is fully verified, you should find your accounts up here in the accounts section. For example, here you can find my personal live account in which I also trade these strategies. If you want to open more accounts, you can do this easily here. Just click on open new account, and you can also open more demo accounts here if you wish to. Then if you do not have the trading platform yet, you should go to downloads here on the left side of the menu here, and then you can see here you can download the MetaTrader 5. It's right now the recommended trading platform, and do not download the MetaTrader 4 if you want to use my expert advisors, because all of these expert advisors, they just work for the MetaTrader 5. So you can download the MetaTrader 5 easily by clicking here on download MT5, and this will download the MetaTrader 5 for you. Once this is done, you can then install the MetaTrader 5 easily. Let me switch back to the accounts already, because we will need this later in the next step. Okay, but yeah, you can see like once it is downloaded, let me demonstrate this quickly. You can just click on the executable here, and then this is like a normal installation guide. You can just say, yeah, where you want to install it, but if you don't have any special needs, just click on next, 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 and just install it. I have the MetaTrader 5 already, so I can cancel this. Then the next step we want to do is we want to take the MT5 account number that we have, and you can find it here, as I said, in the login area at your IC Trading portal. And here, for example, let's say I want to request the license for this specific account, which is the MT5 account. I can just copy the account number from here, then go to the BM Trading website again. And here you can then fill in your email address, which I do here quickly, and the account number that we just copied. So I will also fill in the account number. So I fill in my personal email and the account number. It is very important at this step. Please do not do this wrong here. You need to provide the email that you used to open the IC Trading profile. So it has to be the same email that you use for IC Trading, and then you have to use, of course, the account number that you find here in your IC Trading or IC Markets. Whatever I say, it refers to both brokers that you find in your portal. Once you have these information ready, you can then say what broker you use and then request a license. This will send an email to us, and this will be checked in usually 1 or 2 days, and then you will get a response via email. So what we will do is we will check if it is indeed a valid IC Markets or IC Trading account that is under or like referral ID. So if everything worked out and the connection was done, so IC Markets, IC Trading knows that you are coming from us, from BM Trading. So this will make sure that you get the cheaper trading commissions, and this also makes sure that you can use the free expert advisors. So if we see this email and everything is connected correctly, we will add the account number to our database on our website. And if something is not correct, we will send you a quick reply via email, so you can just fix this easily. Like for example, if your account was not automatically connected to our referral ID. But once this was done, you can just go ahead and download the expert advisors. You can really just download them here. You can download whatever expert advisor you want to use, and then it will be in your download folder. So what we then want to do is, as I said, we do have these expert advisors here now, so let's go to my downloads folder. And here you see now I have the the Go Long EA and the Range Breakout EA. These are zip files, but if we have a look inside of these zip files, you should find always a quick explanation for the inputs and then the EX5 file. The EX5 file is the executable that we will need for the next step. So the next step is that we want to go and open our MT5. Wherever you installed it, you can just open the MetaTrader 5. Can be like from IC Markets, can be from IC Trading. It does not really matter. It's just important that that you are logged into your IC Markets or IC Trading account. So what we want to do here is, like, once you are inside of your MetaTrader 5, you can do the following steps to easily install the Expert Advisor. Go to File in the upper left corner, open Data folder. Here you can find the MQL5 folder, you open this and then you go to Experts. And somewhere here you can drop the Expert Advisor. You can see I have a lot of Expert Advisors here already. For you it might look a little bit cleaner, but just drop the Expert Advisor somewhere in this folder. How does this work? So we go to the we go here again. This is like just the downloads folder where I have my zip files, and let's say I want to install the range breakout EA here. So then we go ahead, take this range breakout EA EX5 file, we can copy it from here, and then it's important that you paste it into the experts folder here. So really just paste it somewhere in this experts folder. Once you did this, you can then go to Expert Advisors here in the navigator of your MetaTrader 5. If you do not see the navigator right now, you can click on View Navigator and it should open the navigator. So View Navigator opens the navigator, and then once you go to Expert Advisors, you will find the range breakout EA. If you do not find it, you can click on right click, refresh, or simply restart the MT5, and then if you dropped it into this folder here, you should find the range breakout EA, and I can find it here. So this is now the range breakout EA, and I can now activate it in any chart or use it in the strategy tester. I have a lot of videos also on my YouTube, how to use the strategy tester, for example, or how to apply Expert Advisors to the chart. So make sure to watch this video if you need help. Also, if you don't find the video, just send me an email. And here you can, for example, let's activate this program, and I want to show you like these are the inputs, etc., etc. You can configure how you want, and it's important that you click this allow algo trading if you want to use the EA in like live trading. Can be your demo or your live account. So if I click on OK, we can see this did not really work out as I wanted. So this says that the account number was not found in our database. So this is one of the two possible error messages that you can get. If you find this error message, this means that you have to apply for the license here on the website. This is what I just did before in the previous step, and of course I just did it a second ago, so it was not processed yet. So if you requested the license already and you get this message, just wait for 1 or 2 days, and if it then if you get if you did not get a response via email, then just request the license again or ask what went wrong. But usually you get a reply like 1 or 2 days after requesting the license. And once your license is in the database, then it should work out. It is really important that do not forget, it only works if you are logged into the same trading account that you requested the license for. So let's say, for example, right now I'm logged into a demo account here, and the account number is 52006466. So it means this account has to be in the database. So you have to really request the license for the account that you want to use. So yeah, once you did this, it should be all fine. So then let me show you something else that could have gone wrong. So I just deleted something, and now I try to attach the Expert Advisor again. So I take the Expert Advisor from here and say range breakout EA go. Algo trading is allowed. I made all of the inputs and I click on OK. You can see there's another error message. It says add the address bmtrading.de to your list of allowed URLs. And this is very important because once you start any of these Expert Advisors that you can download on this website, the first thing the Expert Advisor does is it sends a request to our server, which is bmtrading.de, which is the server address. And if it's not allowed to send this request, we cannot check the license. So in the MetaTrader 5, there is one more step necessary in order to allow your Expert Advisors to send web requests to a server. This is a security mechanism that the MetaTrader 5 has. So what you have to do is, you have to do the following. You go to Tools, Then you go to options, and here you can find different tabs. What we want to do is we want to go to expert advisors. Here you can see down here, allow web requests for listed URLs. If this box is not checked, please check it. Then after checking the box, you can add a new URL here. And what we want to add is bmtrading.de. Really written like this, bmtrading.de, nothing else, and click on enter. And that's pretty much it. Then you click on OK. And once it is here, I can run the expert advisor again. And now click on OK. And you can see now we get the previous error message again, because now the expert advisor was able to send the web request, it was able to reach the server, but the server responded that the account is not in the database. So once this is processed, everything will work just fine and you don't see any error messages anymore. And by the way, once everything is set up correctly and your account number is in the database and you added bmtrading.de to the list of allowed URLs, you will not have to struggle with this anymore in the future. You can just download all of these EAs and you can use them without any problem in the licensed account. Also, if you need another account or if you open more accounts in the client area here, just request a license for your other account. There's no limit, like really you can request the license for all of your accounts. It's just important that they have to be connected to the referral ID of BM Trading, because that's how everyone benefits, and that's the pretty much the offer that I want to make to you. Like, you trade with one of the biggest brokers, one of the best brokers, market leading brokers in the world. You get even cheaper trading commissions using my links, and also you get my expert advisors for free that I use for many years in my personal life accounts that I had great success with. So I'm not promising anything else. I'm not promising profits in the future because I cannot, but this is just an honest offer to you. Like, if you want to use my EAs, want to use a great broker that has super competitive commissions, you can make use of this, what I just showed in this video, and use the expert advisors to maybe become a better trader. And I wish you a lot of good trades with this. And as I said before, and this is really important, like, if at some point you struggle with anything, just shoot me a quick message and I will be glad to assist you. They have also a dedicated support team at IC Markets and IC Trading, especially for clients that are under my referral ID. So you will get help as quickly as possible, and there's no need to worry about documents or whatever. We are here to guide you through this. And that's it. Hope you like it. Enjoy. I'm out. Bye.